Welcome back to the channel, and today we're looking at WRIGHT'S Bridge, just a few kilometres inland from Balingup, between Balingup and Nannup. And for all you ladies, I'm not the only cute one you'll be seeing today. That bloody stick. Welcome to the Senior's Guide to Caravanning and Camping here in beautiful Western Australia. I'm Rob, and together with my partner May, we'll endeavour to go to all the best spots we can while we can. WRIGHT'S Bridge is a medium-sized campground in Jarrah Marri Forest on the Blackwood River. A nearby day-use area provides access to the river for swimming and kayaking. In fact, one of the best things about WRIGHT'S Bridge is the little bushwalking tracks down by the river. Do make a bit of noise though, because I suspect it's a great place for snakes as well. But if you've got a friend who likes to talk a lot, just let them go first. Keep your eyes open. All the campsites are flat, they're all pretty big, and they all have fire rings and tables. There are 15 campsites in 2 loops, catering for caravans, campervans and tents. There are 2 sets of non-flush pit toilets for the campground and a single toilet at the day use area or the parking area. The toilet in the second loop of 8 to 15 is a bit newer, a bit flash. If you're a bit fussy about such things, I'd use that one. All campsites are unpowered. Generator use is not permitted. Got that? Not permitted. Dogs are permitted, but they must be controlled on a leash at all times. Campfires are usually permitted in the provided fire rings only, between April the 15th and November the 30th, but fire restrictions may be imposed at any time and without notice. Bring your own firewood. When fire restrictions are in place, campfires must not be lit, and any appliance powered by burning solid fuel must not be used. Campers' own liquid or gas fuel barbecues, stoves and heaters can be used at any time, unless a total fire ban has been declared. Chopped firewood may be available. Bring your own in case none is available. Collecting firewood and kindling is not permitted in national parks and other conservation reserves. Leave it alone, it's for the animals, don't touch it. Now, it is essential to book, and bookings can be made up to 180 days. Approximately 6 months before arrival and for one campsite only. A per person camping fee does apply, but there is no vehicle entry fee. Go to the Explore Parks WA website to book online. Fees are charged per person per night. Adults $15 with concessions $10. Child $5 with no concession. Check campsite details and the campground map carefully when booking. looks like number 14 and number 15 are group camping sites because they're together, but there's still plenty of room. It's very nice. All the sites here are all flat, and they've all got a good spread between them, so you're very unlikely to see anybody else on the other side or anyone else near you. There's an old toilet in the first campground of 8. There's 128, and there's an old toilet in there made of wood. And here there's, between number 8 and number 15, there's a newer toilet. It looks very nice as toilets go. Very nice spot, Wrights Bridge. We love it, and we'll definitely be back. We've been here lots of times. This is a long weekend, and although all the sites have been taken, there's still plenty of room, and it's very quiet. Very quiet. A couple of dogs, but not too much trouble. They were quiet last night after about 8 o'clock, and we didn't hear them at all this morning, so very good. Give me that bloody stick. Where is it at? What's that? Some people over there collecting firewood. Not supposed to do that, campers. Wrights Bridge is a fantastic little overnight stop.
It's pretty cheap. $20 for 2 seniors. That's with the concession. But it's a great little overnight spot rather than driving all the way down Albany or Denmark or Esperance in one go. It's a really nice little spot. We love it here. Hopefully it doesn't change too much. Probably this video will make it go viral. We'll never get back in here. But hopefully not. Oh, bloody. Swallow that bloody Mitchie. Anyway, we're about to go for a walk. See you in the next one.